What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna play Build a Boat for the second time. Okay, so I'll see what's inside. What is this? I feel like that's good, but I don't know why. What is this? Oh, sign? Car wheels? Robot? Hey, why isn't my game loading? What's this? Hello? One music? Wait, what's this? One hinge? Wait, I'll buy a hinge. It sounds very familiar. Hello, why isn't there game? This game is bad. I get the get. Oh, it's loading now. I got a hinge. It's not even showing me. Of course it's not gonna show me the hinge. What if my calculations are correct? Wait, where's the hinge? This is a hinge. Oh, wait. I think I remember using this with that glue block. Oh, I'm gonna speed run. Get me the Titanic. Just load the Titanic. Oh, I forgot to save the Titanic. I guess there's no Titanic for me. I have to manually build? I don't want to manually build. I have a strategy. Build 9,000 meters high. Wait, I know. What if I just build like something like this? How will I get it moving like this? Yeah, I don't know. Why can't... Yeah, I think that... Delete. Yeah, I think that should be good. I mean, I don't know. I've never... Oh, I know, just like a small circle. Now just remove the corners. And you got it. I don't know. I'm just trying this for the first time. I assure you. Oh, that's uncomfortable. Okay. That thing? Oh, I think I forgot something. I need to actually clear. Oh, wait. I need to. That didn't work out well. How about this? No, wait. I don't want to actually build a boat. Oh. So, what if I just build like a spear of protection? You got it. Just put a car seat and then a motor. That is basic. And then reinforce it by 9 trillion. Okay, I don't think you can get out once you get in. So, first of all, I'm going to epically reinforce this with an epic building montage. If I actually knew how to edit, then it would be epic. Oh, I don't think I should. Yeah, that's enough. And then now we'll protect the sides, and then we'll also protect the other side. Now the only way to get in is here. Okay. Now we're not missing anything, so of course I'm gonna make a few adjustments like that. And of course we need a window of protection. And also I think we should just, I have okay, here's 3 small treasures to kind of protect. No, I don't know. Oh, I know these blocks. This block, well, I don't know. Oh yeah, this block should be able to protect me. Yeah, that will definitely not protect me. Wait a minute, what if I delete those two and then I use the table of proto collection? Perfect. Now we can add a window of something. Now we can use that to cover the roof. Now we're ready to launch. How do you save? Save. Okay, now let me launch it. Here we go. Oh, this is not a Titanic. This is a monster. Suddenly, I don't feel bad anymore. Look at this monstrosity. Wrong direction. Okay, wait. I need to get 45 moolah. Once I get 45 moonie, flower stage. No, don't flip the Titanic. I mean, yeah, or monstrosity, I guess. This is, yeah, why did I, oh, one glass is done. Oh, why am I dying? Oh, it's probably because my build is so fragile. Yeah, I need to add a few changes to, quests. Ooh, look at this. Which one should, what's it find perfect? Oh, I see. Hey, give me that. What does it say though? Find me. I click you. Ah, there it is. I wish I had the teleporter. There's no rules, so I could have just used the teleporter like 2 years ago. Now I'll click you. Now where are you? Now I'll first of all clear. Are you on top of you are on top of the flag? How am I supposed to get there? Oh yeah, I know I have some. Wait, how do I even get there? How though? Here. 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 Now I don't know where should I go from here. Oh, I think I have an idea. I just need to see how far. Oh, I'll do some tree parkour. All I need to do is clear all the parts, and then I'll go up and then 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 up. And then, of course, since I am the smartest person in the world, I can defy physics. Oh wait, I'm stupid. Wait, where do I even? Oh, Oh, I get it. Dead. Speed building. Speed deleting. Speed building. Wait, why do I have 8? Oh. Yeah, I don't think we're high enough. I'll do like... I still don't think I'm high enough. You know, yeah, I'm definitely not high enough. I'll do like... Oh, I know. I'm so smart. How far can I get? Oh, that's how far I can get. Okay, fine. Okay, time to speed run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, don't delete. Okay. I'm definitely not high enough. Yeah, I don't know. This entire video is just me trying to get 40. Nah, I don't think that's high enough. I should just use like every single block. Why am I using only the... Excuse me, that's the wrong way to use. Okay. Okay. Now. This is so scary. Okay. Yeah, what am I doing? That is super scary. Jump! I didn't make the jump. Are you serious? I spent so much time trying to get up there. Bruh. I need another quest. That quest is too hard. What is a drag? Where's the goal though? This is how much building area I have. I don't even have a piston or something. Or anything. Wait, what's the ice? No flying parts, all blocks. What? Yeah, wait, ramp. Okay, I think I can do this. Unless it doesn't stop and glitch. No, that's the ramp of death. I didn't know that you were gonna spawn lava under my feet. Where's the hoop anyway? Oh, guys, I'm gonna continue it in the next episode, which will be today. Bye.